Hey my friend, Will here over at Pips and Gains, and welcome back to another trading video. Today we're going to be looking at a quick update on my Lux trading challenge with the prop firm Lux Trader. So just going to be sharing you the insights of the account, the progress so far. We've just crossed the halfway mark for the profit target. And yeah, so let's get into the video. So before we actually get started, if you are new to the channel and you haven't yet subscribed yet, simply hit the subscribe button now to show your support for the channel so I can keep on sharing my near 15 years experience in the markets, hopefully help you become a better, more profitable, consistent trader. So first off, I might sound a little bit off today. I've just arrived in London, overnight flight from Bangkok. So a little bit of jet lag. And so if I sound not as enthusiastic as normal, that is the reason. So I'm here for the next 2 or 3 weeks. So this is the account here, and basically what I'm going to be sharing with you is my personal thoughts on the challenge so far, what I think of it, and hopefully to help you make a better decision when it does come to creating accounts with prop firms. So as you can see, the balance is 25,805. The equity is 25,730. We have nearly $1,300 available on risk, and the drawdown limit is 24,515. So see, we've got a nice wee move up here again this week. It was another good trading week. Most of my positions was a quiet week up until today. A lot of positions turned around and made us profitable for the trading week. Now, one thing I don't like with Lux, again, I've said it before, is the trailing drawdown. So when you start to make profit, as you start close profit and your balance grows, the drawdown actually trails your account. As you can see, it's moving. This is where it started, and as the account is growing, it slowly makes its way up with the balance. Now, I did contact Lux about this. Now, how it actually works when you are in a funded account and you want to make a withdrawal. So you'll make the withdrawal, and then once a month, you're allowed one withdrawal once a month, and they will then reset the 5% drawdown. Now, there is some firms that don't have a 5% trailing drawdown, and they don't reset it. I think it's Funded Traded Plus is one of the ones that doesn't reset the trailing drawdown. So it's not as bad as long as you're making the withdrawal once a month. It's fine. Still, I would rather it didn't trail it as much, or the drawdown was a little bit bigger. But the benefits of this for any newbie or trader, keeping the risk like this does actually improve your trading. Will make you more disciplined and aware of the risk you're taking. Would be better if it was a little bit higher, 6, 7%, 8%. Though this is the rules. I do suspect a lot of traders will feel this. There won't be as many people passing this challenge. It's basically because of the drawdown. You have to be very, very disciplined. You have to have know your numbers. You have to have a system that works consistently. And when you have a consistent system like mine, as you can see, that works consistently, then all you need to do is adjust your trade size to stay within the limits. Now, within the limits of this, because it's a 5% trailing drawdown, preferably you can't really. You want to keep it well under that, like 4%, just in case there's any spike ups in markets at times. So you want to kind of keep your risk controlled at 4%. So you have to be very disciplined. You have to know what you're doing when trading an account like this. Again, it will take, you can see already, 68 days. It's already taken me to get halfway. And basically that was because of the summer period, July and August. Well, August was a good month, but end of June, July, slow period. So this is kind of probably would have been there by now if it wasn't for that. So hopefully by this time next month we will be there, and hopefully, as you can see, since we had that drawdown in July, we've just been going up nicely when the markets have been coming back to normal. We are 53% of the way there. So it's going good so far. If you are in the Telegram group, there will be a link below. You will be able to track the FX Blue stats on this account. I am using my weekly swing trade setups, which you can get a 7-day trial to below in the description area. So it's going well so far. There is a few things I've heard about Lux. I did mention that in my first review. That is once you get to the next stage, you've hit the profit target. If you go to Trustpilot, read some of the reviews. Some of the things that they do, I have read there, is that they'll fail you. They'll fail you on a consistency or non-consistency risk rule. So I haven't had any problems yet. We will see when we get to the next stage. But again, my sister, I've been trading this system for a very long time. So if they do come up with something like that there, I will be very, very surprised. So going good so far. They do seem fairly decent. The spreads, everything on the account is good. There's been no issues with the trading account. Just the only thing that I don't like about this is the drawdown, the trailing drawdown, and hopefully in the future they will increase that. There is one of their other big accounts is their $1 million account, and that drawdown is 4%, I think. So it's even smaller again. So have to be very, very disciplined. This challenge like this, if you want to improve your trading discipline and risk control, a challenge like this will challenge you and will make you a better trader. So it's probably one of the benefits of it. I just wanted to give you a quick update. If you want to get access to the weekly setups for a 7-day free trial, there is a link in the description area. Any questions on Lux and my experience so far, let me know in the comments section. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to get some sleep because I'm really a little bit jet lagged. See you in the next video. Will over at Pips and Gains.